Mweri wa Januari mwaka uyu nirio bangi ino ira ni Ngunia 63 yahithukirio itura-ini ria Rucugwa wa dini ya Igomete mugunda-ini wa mundu ehithitwo thiini wa container na igacoka kurigicerio na mabati. Thutha wa cira gutwarithio kwa ihinda ria mieri 10 muthi wa tariki 9 mweri-ini uyu wa 10 mucirithania wa igoti inene ria Nyahururu Frederick Rarambi ni atuire cira kuria mundurume umwe uikaine ta Benard wa iguru anyitikanire na mahitia ma kwendia bangi ino iria yatareirwo ciringi mirioni 41 kuria ahurirwo faini ya ciringi mirioni 50 kana atumikire kioho kia miaka 30 njera. Riri nayo bangi ino yabatie guthukangio. Mihang'o ya uthukangia na njira ya gucina ngunia 63 cia bangi ni iratabanirio mbere ya maabitha ugiteri kuria munini wa kamishina mwena uyu wa Nyahururu Bernard Odino atungiritio unyitaniri wao na muingi wa mwena uyu amu ni mahutheirio mihang'o ya gukinyaniria guikia ngono kwa endia dawa na njohi njuru.
Is to destroy 63 sacks of cannabis sativa that was confiscated a while ago, and there has been a case which has been ongoing, and it came to its conclusion, and therefore it was ordered that we destroy this exhibit.
Odino ataririe makuranite ati aingi a endia dawa na njohi njuru makoretwo magitabaniria mihang'o ino mitito-ini iria rigiceirie tauni ya Nyahururu, akiuga thiku ciao ni ndare amu ni marikitie kwarira mitaratara ya kung'ethanira nao.
This is a lot of a drug, and we do appreciate so much the cooperation we are getting from the members of the public. You can imagine what would have happened if this consignment went to the members of the public so that it is consumed, what it can do to our youth, what it can do to our population.
Afitha uyu wa wathani wa matura augite endia dawa ici makoretwo makirongoreria guthukia uturo wa yuthi ndeto iria matagwitikiria ithie na mbere maitho-ini mao kuria oritie muingi uthie na mbere na gukunyira maabitha ugiteri ndumereri ciothe ciegie biathara itari njitikirie.
We just want to urge members of the public to continue working with us. We know Nyahururu is surrounded by a number of forests, and growing of these drugs mostly is done in forest and attended areas. We urge them to be vigilant so that if there are any suspicious activities, they can report to us. We also want to warn businessmen or peddlers, those who are dealing with this substance, that we are not going to take it very lightly. We are going to be very vigilant to ensure that members of the public are not, and our youth do not consume such kind of substance.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Nyahururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.